Hello, welcome back to another Salad Sunday. Just getting a little bit of parsley on the top there. We're making a chicken and crispy bacon salad, as you can see here, with a beautiful, very simple lemon mayo. Hey look, we're going to get started with our bacon. So here I've got 2 cups of bacon. I've cut it into pieces. Now this is quite a fatty, streaky bacon. So what we're going to do is I'm going to render it out. I'm going to kind of fry it up until it gets crispy and just render the fat out. I think we'll probably get a bit of fat from that we don't want. So you can see we've got some nice crispy bacon, but you can also see, look, there's a ton of that fat there. We don't need that. That's not going to be required for what we need. If you're using a really nice meaty bacon, you probably won't have to do this. Right, let's set that aside. Okay, so our bacon's done. Now I've got some breast chicken here, no skin, no bone. I've cut it into those kind of slices like that. They're not that thin. Simply, we're going to get some salt, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. And then I'm going to use some thyme. I've got, half a teaspoon of thyme. Maybe you can change that, paprika or something like that would work. A couple of teaspoons of lemon juice. Tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to give that a little mix, and then we're just going to simply get that in a little pan and fry it off. It'll cook really quickly. So a little skillet here, or frying pan, heat's on. We're just going to take our chicken and drop it in. And you can kind of see the thickness of it. It's not super thin, but it will cook really quickly. Fairly lively heat, above medium. I'm going to be turning that over quite frequently for the next sort of 4 or 5 minutes. That will do it. Okay, so you can see there I've got a nice bed of different lettuce leaves. I've got a few olives there using a Kalamata olive, tomatoes and cucumber, and I sprinkled that also with a little bit of fresh parsley. So a nice bed of whatever you want. There's our chicken. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Lovely. And to that we've got our crispy bacon. We can put that over the top there. Sprinkle some of that around. Fantastic. Then I'm going to make a really simple mayonnaise with lemon dressing for it. Really, really simple, in fact. Just those 2 things on the top, and that's beautiful. Lovely stuff. So very simply, what I've got here is a couple of tablespoons of mayo and a tablespoon of lemon juice or lime juice. We're just going to give that a little mix. I'll be back in a second or so. Just take 10 seconds. Just got a really beautiful lemony, creamy mayo there. Put a little bit of garlic in it if you like. That's beautiful. I love that one. Really simple. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Delicious. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.